Today, embark on an extraordinary journey through the Philippines, a land of enchanting islands, rich culture, and undiscovered wonders. This archipelago, nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, is a canvas of nature's best work, with its vibrant landscapes and diverse wildlife. But it's not just the breathtaking vistas that make this place special. It's the spirit of the people, their traditions and customs, that breathe life into this paradise. A paradise like no other. The Philippines beckons with its irresistible charm. From the pristine beaches of El Nido to the rolling hills of Batanes, every corner of the Philippines offers a slice of paradise. Imagine yourself in Palawan, often hailed as the world's best island. An ethereal landscape where limestone cliffs rise dramatically from turquoise waters, creating a symphony of shapes and colors. Subterranean rivers crisscross the island, creating a network of natural caves that are as mysterious as they are beautiful. Then there's El Nido, a treasure trove of hidden beaches and secret lagoons, each with its unique charm. Picture yourself lazing on a hammock, the soft rustle of palm leaves whispering tales in your ears as the gentle waves serenade your thoughts. But the journey doesn't end there. Let's head north to the windswept cliffs and rolling hills of Batanes. Here the landscapes are more rugged, the beauty more raw. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and life unfolds at its own leisurely pace. You can almost hear the whispers of the wind telling stories of ancient traditions and hardy folk who have made these islands their home. And who can forget Boracay, a paradise reborn, now a model of sustainable tourism. Its famous white beach, a stretch of powdery sand that glows under the moonlight, is a sight to behold. The island is also a haven for water sports enthusiasts, offering everything from kiteboarding to paddleboarding. Finally, let's set sail for Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines. With its towering waves and laid-back vibe, it's a mecca for surfers and beach lovers alike. But Siargao is more than just surf. Its emerald lagoons, palm-fringed islands, and vibrant local culture make it a must-visit destination on any Philippine itinerary. Each of these destinations is unique, yet they all share a common thread: the breathtaking natural beauty that the Philippines is renowned for. From sun-kissed beaches to lush rainforests, from tranquil lagoons to roaring waterfalls, the country's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Each island a testament to the Philippines' captivating natural beauty. But the Philippines isn't just about breathtaking landscapes. It's a place where the past and present converge, where age-old traditions dance in harmony with the pulsating rhythm of modern life. This vibrant interplay is best seen in the country's many festivals, such as Sinulog and Adi-Adihan. Imagine being part of a crowd swaying to the rhythm of drums as the streets come alive with an explosion of colors, with locals dressed in traditional attire, their faces painted, their spirits high. These festivals are more than just spectacles, they are profound expressions of Filipino faith, resilience, and joie de vivre. Now, let's take a detour to the bustling street food scenes. The aroma of grilling meat guides you to a roadside vendor. Here you'll find a variety of local delicacies, from the savory skewered barbecue to the sweet and sticky rice cakes. Each bite is a revelation, a story of the Filipinos' love for food and communal dining. And who could forget the country's native crafts? From intricately woven mats to hand-beaten copperware, these items bear the mark of Filipino ingenuity and craftsmanship. They reflect a culture deeply rooted in its history and shaped by its diverse influences. So, you see, the Philippines is more than just its postcard-perfect beaches and majestic mountains. It's a melting pot of vibrant traditions, colorful festivals, and culinary adventures. It's a living, breathing tapestry of rich cultural experiences that beckon you to immerse, to explore, to discover. For the thrill seekers, the Philippines offers world-class diving and surfing experiences. Imagine plunging into the deep blue waters of the Tabataha Reefs, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As you descend, you're welcomed by an underwater spectacle unlike any other. Swarms of vibrant fish dance around the coral gardens, while majestic manta rays glide overhead. Every dive into this marine sanctuary is a journey into a world teeming with life, color, and beauty. But the adventure doesn't stop beneath the waves. Ascend to the surface and you'll find yourself in the heart of the surfing capital of the Philippines, Baler. Here the waves are unending and the thrill is palpable. Whether you're a seasoned surfer riding the crests or a novice taking your first wobbly stand on a board, the ocean's rhythm is an exhilarating challenge to master. Beyond the dives and the swells, the Philippines offers an array of adrenaline-fueled activities. Scale the country's highest peaks, zip line through lush green canopies, or whitewater raft down roaring rivers. Each venture is a testament to the country's diverse and dynamic landscapes. As you embark on these adventures, you'll encounter awe-inspiring moments that will leave you breathless. These experiences, etched in time, become stories of courage, resilience, and exploration. Stories that go beyond the confines of ordinary travel. Promising adrenaline and awe, the Philippines is indeed a playground for adventure seekers. Now let's hear the heart of the Philippines from those who know it best, the locals. We begin our journey into the heart of the Philippines through the stories of its people. In the lush rice terraces of Ifugao, we find farmers who, generation after generation, have sculpted the mountains into verdant stairways. Their tales echo through the valleys, painting a vivid picture of tradition and perseverance. In the bustling city of Manila, we meet street vendors, the unsung heroes of the urban jungle. Their voice is a symphony of life and resilience. They share stories of hope and dreams, a testament to the unwavering Filipino spirit. As we travel south, we encounter the seafaring Badjaos of Sulu, living in harmony with the sea. They teach us about their unique traditions, their respect for the ocean, and their simple yet profound way of life. Everywhere we go, we are welcomed with the warmth and hospitality that is uniquely Filipino. From the cheerful Mabuhay greeting to the shared feast known as Kamayan, the sense of community and kinship is overwhelming. We discover that the soul of the Philippines is not just found in its picturesque landscapes, but in the everyday lives of its people. In their laughter, their tears, their struggles, and their victories. And so we find that the soul of the Philippines lies in the smiles of its people, in their stories, their traditions, their warmth. The journey through the Philippines is a journey through endless beauty and rich culture. We've traversed the pristine beaches of Palawan, scaled the rolling hills of Batanes, and delved into a world of vibrant traditions and festivals. We've tasted the culinary delights of street food, and heard the heartwarming stories of the locals, seeing firsthand their daily life and traditions. We've sought adrenaline in the thrilling activities that the country offers, from world-class diving to exhilarating surfing experiences. This is a nation where every island is a hidden gem, every smile is an invitation, and every moment is an adventure. It's a place where culture and nature blend seamlessly, and where the spirit of the people is as captivating as the landscapes they inhabit. Are you ready to discover your own piece of paradise? The Philippines awaits.